Tired of using a passkey for a specific site, or just want to clean up your saved sign-ins? Windows 11 makes it easy to manage and delete them. In this video, I'll show you how to remove saved passkeys from your computer in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open the settings from the Start menu. Go to the Account section on the left sidebar, then scroll down and click on Passkey Settings. You'll now see a list of every passkey saved on your device. Browse the list or use the search bar to find the one you want to remove. Once you've found it, simply click the three-dot menu next to the passkey and select Delete Passkey. Windows will ask you to confirm. Click Delete one more time and it's gone. And that's it. That passkey can no longer be used to sign you into that website or app from this PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tutorial videos. Thanks for watching.